Well, good day everybody. Welcome back to a new week here on the Aussie Lawn. I hope you've had a fantastic week. Mine's been fairly busy. Got a fair few things on the show today. So today it's time to start landscaping the final bit of my front yard, and I will also show you here now the Garden of Shame is now finished, and I've now decided to call it the Garden of Tranquility because before, if you notice it in the background, some of the videos before it was pretty horrendous, but now I've actually completed it. I'm happy with it. It's turned out really well. Anyway, today we're going to look at start with a basic blank canvas. So we're going to start how to, do a lawn from scratch, because that's what we're going to be doing, starting off with some garden beds, some concreting, and we'll go from there. So sit back, relax. I hope you enjoy it.
A spinning wheel where all I feel is the ice getting thinner. Step by step, day by day, I'm fighting a winner. Pushed around, I'm nowhere bound, no solid ground. How can I get it back? How can I be strong? And all I do comes out wrong. I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from. My ground when I back down each time. Time is a struggle, little by little, day by day, I'm trying to juggle. Losing track, no turning back, I'm running through fire. Step by step, day by day, burning the wire. Pushed around, strong, and all I do comes out wrong. I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from. I wanna be brave, I wanna stand tall, but I feel like I'm losing this war. How can I stand my ground when I back down each time? As the days go by, I keep wondering why the struggle never ends. In the endless fight, I'm never right. I can never win, never win. Strong, and all I do comes out wrong. I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from. I wanna be brave, I wanna stand tall, but I feel like I'm losing this war. How can I stand my ground when I back down each time? Oh, each time.
Righto, so we've done our shave, we've done our Roundup application, we've done our form work. So this morning we're just waiting on the boys, so we're waiting on Scott and Brett to turn up, and the concrete truck will be here in about an hour's time. So I thought I'd get out here early, just set up a few bits and pieces. But in the meantime, I just thought I'd take you around to show you what's been happening up close, because obviously once this action's happening, really the best I can do as far as filming is concerned is to set and forget and crack on with the job. These are little tree boxes, so we're going to put along here. I've got 4 of these formed in, so 200mm wide concrete, 1 metre garden bed. Now this was an interesting one. We've got some PVC pipes here that run through as an overflow from my water tank, and when my place was built, the builders actually did a dodgy here and didn't connect it up properly, so that was a bit of a drama we had to sort out yesterday, but we've got that done. It just means the plant will have to get shuffled over a little bit to the side. It shouldn't be too much of a hassle, but that's just the way it goes. But yeah, no, we didn't hit it. It was just incorrectly installed to begin with. Righto, so this is obviously the main event. This is our concrete link. So we've got the gravel driveway that we did in an earlier episode. So now obviously concrete from the street to the pathway, and then just into my boundary to the gravel driveway. Now we're also going to regrade's the word, the gravel where it meets the concrete. We wanted to, I wanted to have a lesser ramp off the street as possible. So what we'll do is once the concrete's poured, we'll actually come back up a little bit further up the metal edging of the gravel here, and we'll cut it off. We'll re-weld it down a bit of an angle so it does actually, it's a bit more of a gradual incline rather than a bit of a, I guess, a ski jump for want of a better word. But anyway, look, it's all taking shape. Rome wasn't built in a day, but so far I'm really happy with the progress. Finally, what we've got here is our little, I guess, boundary concrete here. There's a lot of kikuyu next door. We're running with a couch lawn here. Just gives me a bit of a barrier just to keep the kikuyu out of the couch, and just like I've done up the other side there on the Santa Ana lawn. So anyway, I suppose that truck's not too far away now, so let's hook in. sure am glad that that's behind us now. As easy as it is when you're measuring out concrete and you go, oh, a bit here, a bit there, whatever. When it comes down to actually pouring and spreading and finishing it off, you wouldn't want it any warmer day than what we had. Anyway guys, look, hope you enjoyed the episode. Next week we're going to go back and have a look at how the Tiff Eagle and the Zoysia is performing, and then we'll go back through and do the next stage of this. This will be an ongoing project now leading into winter, right through to turfing, irrigation, installation, the whole lot. So stay tuned, have a fantastic weekend. We'll catch you next time here on the Aussie Lawn.